wings are made by an old gentleman of the name of Sanders, living at the Oddfellows home in Concord, New Hampshire, of strips of ash covered with duck. And they open up and are screwed on to tighten, made firm. How do you like being like an angel?
Not so bad.
It looks more like a bat to me.
Oh, yeah?
There he is. Now turn your back close to us. And so flop the wings up and down.
Right?
Now down.
Alvin, now bend over. From the waist, relax your head. Now hit the base of the spine, come up strong, go forward with the chest, back, forward with the chest, relax, come on, back, that's right, forward. Hit the base of the spine, that's right, forward, relax the head. Hit from up, hit from the solar plexus in front and the chest, forward, hit from the base of the spine. Those are the two dynamic centers, the solar plexus and the base of the spine. Get the wings ready.
It's better already.
Right out on the outside, the whole thing. That's it. That's right. That's right. Spread them out the full length. This one isn't out. This one isn't out at all. This one isn't out.
All right, that's good.
Now, Al, spread your wings. Spread your wings out, Al. Now jump. Head forward. Go to it.
Excellent work.
Can you get up?
Good, I can't get up.
Oh, where'd you land? On your arm?
Spread the whole wing out.
Right, Bill.
In order to prove these laws, Mr. Powell will now attempt a short flight from the treetops. Now go to it, Al. Steady on, go to it, fine.
All right.
Will you just tighten this one, please?
Yeah.
Bring over this strap. That's it. That's it. Now put it down in there. All right, in here.
Yeah, all right.
In here. You have to put it in there. Get in. Pick it going. That's the way. That's fine. Now we're off.
Hold it, please. Hold it. Hold it.
The laws by which these wings are manipulated are the old lost laws of Greek cosmic motion, which I have rediscovered. And it is my strong conviction that by utilizing these inner universal forces, we shall all be able to fly like the birds. And I am now starting a school to train the children to develop these powers while they are young. Now, Max, come over and put this in here.
All right, I get it. Go ahead.
And get that one tightened up. That's right. Not too tight. Now down, come on. Not too tight. Go ahead.
All right, and back there, Mr.
Yes.
Ready?
That's it. Tight now.
Okay.
Fine, fine. now we're off. We ought to wait till the wind catches. All right, go. Come on. That's it. Now it's done. Come back, please.
Come down.
All right, boys.
All right.
But now she's into a perfect ground loop. She's off again.
Where to? I don't know.
Where to? No one knows.
Nemo, can you get some eggs for me?
All right. I'll keep quiet this time, Jake.
Sawed-off shotguns will be in order if many of these contraptions cloud the sky.
Can't seem to raise.
She can't seem to raise. She's going, no, there she's out. She's down again.
All right.
Adolphe Metz, star pupil, now has the wings on and is demonstrating just how the ancient Greeks used the cosmic laws in their attempts to fly. Uh-oh, low ceiling. He can't seem to get very high. Well, there'll be other days. He's still trying. You can't keep a good man down.
Okay. All right.
All one needs is a pair of these wings, a small package of birdseed, and a few feathers, and you're off. Maybe. Maybe a tri-motor would go good here.
He seems to be bucking ahead.
Go easy now. Don't let him see that seat for God's sake. If he's bucking strong headwinds, maybe he's out of gas. Who knows?
Let's go.
And still another pupil. He seems to be bucking strong headwinds. Maybe he's out of gas. Who knows? He almost got off that.
A day's work. He's off. What'll happen this time?
Let's go.
All right. He's off again. Here he comes. I wonder if he'll make it. Up he goes and down. No, there he goes. He's up, up. There he is.
Voila. I think they're all set now except the...
Well, he's got him on.